Students, quickly wanted to update you about live session schedule for schedule number 4. This is the schedule that started on 15th September. For students who started late for whatever reason, and I'll quickly update you about the schedule. 30th October, Wednesday, 4 p.m. Cell cycle and cell division by Dr. N.K. Sharma. 3rd November, Sunday, 6 p.m. Electric charges and fields by Ankur sir. 4th November, Monday, 5 p.m. Reproduction in organisms by Mishra sir. 9th November, Saturday, 5:30 p.m. Sexual reproduction in flowering plants by Mishra sir. And 10th November, Sunday, 6 p.m. Classification of elements and periodicity by Anupam sir. Now, students, understand this very, very clearly. You are following this method that we provide on NEET Prep. You are going to watch NEET Prep videos, and take notes, right? After that, you are going to read specific chapter of NCERT for which you watch the videos, right? After that, you are going to give a mini test. Then there is a problem solving live session, right? In which faculty comes and solves these problems for you so that you exactly understand how to approach problem solving. Students, you have to understand that if you know the theory but you don't know how to apply that theory to solve multiple choice questions, then your preparation is not complete. In fact, it is completely useless, because NEET exam is about doing 180 questions in 180 minutes, right? And 180 questions are MCQs, right? So this problem solving live session is extremely important, and after this you are going to do 100 questions in physics, chemistry and 200 questions of biology from our question bank. Now it is extremely important, student, that before this live session you are going to finish this and this, and after the live session you are going to finish this. Understand this, you started late, that is why you are following schedule number 4, that is okay. But now 180 to 190 days are remaining, and it is extremely important that you make the maximum out of these 180-190 days. 190 days, 10 to 12 hours a day, equal to around 2000 hours of preparation that you can still do. So if you could not start early for whatever reason, right? You were not sure whether you want to prepare again, you took admission in BSc, then you figured out, no, it is not good for me, I want to crack NEET and I want to become a doctor, whatever the reason was. Even if you are joining this course today, you get a schedule, you follow that schedule, and then you get this method. And if you follow this method even now, right, you can do very well in NEET. You can crack a government college. Competition is very high. No one will have this kind of discipline, and this you have to do 97 times, because there are 97 chapters in NEET syllabus. So students, please understand, you will find a lot of people all around you who are preparing for NEET 4th time, 5th time, 6th time, and then they start wondering whether age limit thing will start applying to them or not, because they don't focus. They waste their time trying to do self-study. They waste their time thinking and not studying. So you have to give hard work, and you are doing this hard work because you have a dream of becoming a doctor, getting a MBBS degree. So this is the schedule. Please prepare properly. Please come to the schedule having prepared properly. A lot of students who are not part of schedule 4 but are part of schedule 1, 2, 3 on NEET Prep website. So where does this schedule come from? By the way, you go to neetprep.com, you go to schedule, and you will find this as schedule number 4. If you don't have a timetable, if you don't have a schedule, you can follow this, right? But important thing is, hard work is yours, dream is yours. We will provide you everything that you require to crack NEET. When you are buying NEET Prep video course, everything is available. Lectures from best quality teachers in the country of physics, chemistry, zoology, botany. Best quality practice questions, best quality test. We provide you doubt support facility. Everything is available. What is not available is these two things. It has to be your dream and you have to work hard for it. So students, I have provided you the schedule. Please come prepared properly. Before this live session, these things should be complete. Hopefully you are enjoying these live sessions, you are enjoying our video course. I want comment from those students who are following these live sessions regularly and are benefiting from it. Write down in the comment section of this video so that other people also get the confidence that yes, they also have to start working out hard and start following this schedule. If you follow this method, I am again telling you, you will crack NEET. And if you don't follow it, you will find a lot of people around you who have been preparing for NEET for 4-5 years. All right, students.